Let's model this center table in SketchUp on iPad. Pick the rectangle tool, choose axis, specify dimensions while clicking and dragging. Use tape measure tool to create guidelines as I am showing. Create a 2-point arc on the face of rectangle. Select this arc and use flip tool to make a mirror image. Deselect. Make another arc at the bottom. Use line tool and make lines on both ends. You can specify length. Create some more guidelines using tape measure tool. Line tool to create the basic shape. Use eraser to erase extra geometry. Push-pull to give thickness. Select everything and group. Rotate it 45 degrees. Rotate plus copy 90 degrees. Go to Scenes, Plan View, Parallel Projection. Pick Circle tool, specify 36 sides. Click and drag. Use Push-Pull to add thickness. Triple click and group. Move tool to move the tabletop in blue axis. Go to Materials tab. Download materials of your choice from 3D Warehouse. Select geometry and apply material. Download some accessories or books to place on the table. For more tutorials like this, like, share, subscribe and keep watching Design Algorithm. Bye bye.